When editing chemistry and mathematics data, we often use superscript or subscript to represent special symbols. Take this document as an example. M square represents the square in the unit area. How can we set the number 2 as a superscript? Select the number 2. In the Home tab, click the Superscript button, or we can use the shortcut key Ctrl-Shift-Equals to set the number as a superscript. Numbers in some chemical symbols need to be set as subscripts, such as O2, N2. Select the number 2 in O2. In the Home tab, click the Subscript button, or use the shortcut key Ctrl-Equals to set the number as a subscript display. In addition, after clicking the right mouse button, click Font in the shortcut menu bar, and a dialog box will pop up. You can also set superscript or subscript in Effects.